Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Facebook. This menu is not available. There may be a technical problem. Refresh to try again. Error on your phone. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook. Now click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, notifications turn on. Okay, nearby devices, phone, photos and videos allow all permission. Okay, go back. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, go back. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back. Go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Search for Facebook. And now tap on the Facebook and check update your Facebook. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, and now open your Facebook. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.